Okay, this is Jimmy Okanola with eXp Realty. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I just want to take a quick minute to do a very short video for my eXp agents um, on how to create squeeze pages and landing pages. The goal and the idea is you want to try and generate as many leads as possible, direct people to your website, and give them value. We're in the service industry. We want to make sure we're serving our clients and customers alike. We want to serve the general public, which ultimately will allow you to be able to serve them better by creating value, by giving them information that is needed, necessary for their lives. And we live in a digital age. Everybody wants to be able to get information at their fingertips. So what other great thing would it be? You being the go-to agent that people can come to, or at least that they know as the information that will help them to be able to succeed and thrive in what they're doing. No fluff here. Everything is just quick, easy, simple, straightforward. So you can see my screen here. I'm in the eXp KV core. I'm coming right into the lead engine, and you can go right here into building a landing page and squeeze pages. I love to always start with a squeeze page. As the name suggests, it's a page that you want to squeeze information to, so you can get people to garner information from there and be able to thrive in every single thing they're doing. So right here, we have multi-property, we have single property. You can use single property. Let's say you want to promote a listing, for example. Or maybe you want to promote your open house or anything of that sort. You have seller squeeze. You're trying to create and generate listings. So you want to be able to give people value. If you're doing market report, you can create market reports that people can actually go and find out what their home is worth in their county, in their city, in a certain zip code. So all of these things, you can actually nail it down. So we come over here, we have the sources where it's going to go to. You don't necessarily need to do anything with that. We come to where it says search for hashtag. I love to put an hashtag which will identify what you're doing when those leads begin to come into your CRM. You want to be able to know, where are they coming from? What did I do to be able to get this? So in this particular case, I'm going to say seller valuation, home valuation, because I want to be able to remember that that's what I'm actually doing here. Seller home valuation. So I say enter. Where do I want to squeeze people to? Am I squeezing to Upper Marlboro? Am I squeezing to Fairfax? Am I squeezing to Mark Lane? Am I squeezing to Bowie? Where exactly am I squeezing people to becomes what you're doing over here. So in this particular instance, I want to squeeze people to the Bowie market. I want people in the Bowie market who want to know what their own valuation to be. That's what I'm going to do here. It doesn't matter what city or state you want to do, you can do any. And you can create as many as you want. Then I'll come over here where it says generate link. I click that. The moment you click that generate link, it's going to automatically generate a link for you, a short code of sorts. You have the long direct link and you have the short link. I love the fact that it creates both of them for you. And I click this over here to copy the short code, the short link, because that's what I'm going to use to squeeze people to. That's where they're going to go when they actually, when the landing page is created, they will be squeezed to that part. So now that we've gotten the code for the squeeze page, let's go back to the lead engine and now let's build a landing page. The moment you click into a landing page, this is what you by default get. Now, I can now change every single thing here, except for the eXp logo. Every single word in there can be changed, can be removed. Whatever you want to do, all of those things can be changed. What is my goal? Do I want to lead generate, which is what I'm going to do right now? I'm going to do this video very quickly. I'm going to do two things for you. I'm going to do a lead generation and an address capture. So lead generation is what I want to do. We go lead generation. It says hashtag is optional. Yes, it is. But I want to remember again, what am I doing? I'm doing a seller home. Oops, I don't want a space. Seller home valuation is what I want. Seller home valuation. You can use different hashtags, submit button text, It says, please fill out this field. That's what they're going to fill out when they start, submitting information. The URL, I want to put my URL. It says optional, but that's where I want to, again, a squeeze page with the landing page. I want to squeeze people over here. I want to squeeze information. I want to direct people to Buoy, who is looking at buying in Buoy, because this is going to be posted on my Google page, for example. So if someone is Googling places to live in Maryland, and Bowie is the place where they have a family member living or that they know about, that's what I'm creating. I can create as many squeeze and landing pages as I want. In this scenario, I can do Bowie. I can do as many cities. You can do, or if you just want to be, I just want everybody that's looking for properties in Prince George's County, in Montgomery County, you can do it by county as well. In this case, again, what we've created it before is a squeeze page for Bowie. So that's what I'm going to do here. Now, the next thing here that I'm going to do real quick, let me move this out of the way, is we're going to come into the background. I can change this background. I can change it to a map, right? I can change it to a kitchen. Whatever you want to do, I can change it to a foreclosure, if that's what you want to do. I can change it to a new construction, if that's what you're trying to do. So there's so many things that you can do here. You can even change this background to say a particular, if you have a list in the MLS that you want to use, you can change it to that. All you do is once you click this, it takes you to a different screen and it tells you to put the MLS information in there. So you can put your MLS information on there if that's what you want to do. So there's so many different things that you can do. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to leave it as, let's go modern. I'm going to leave it at modern, and I'm going to change over here. Now, lead type, let's do a lead type real quick. Lead type, you can do buyer, seller, renter, investor. I'm doing sellers. That's the goal of what I'm trying to do. Boom. If this is all I'm going to do, I can click save, and I'm ready to share this information. But I need to make some changes here. So let's make some changes right here. Again, the goal of what I'm trying to do here is I want people to find out their own valuation. So I'll just say something like, what is my Bowie home valuation? Or what is my Bowie home worth? Or what is the value of my Bowie home? Or, whatever is catchy, whatever you want to do, you just do it right here. I can even just say, again, because I'm being specific to Bowie, that's the reason why I'm just having, that Bowie on there. I can even say Bowie home valuations. I can just say that. I said Bowie home. Oh, hey, how about this? How about we say free? Let's do free Bowie. Free Bowie home values. Right? Free Bowie home values, free Bowie home valuation. Free Bowie home values is fine. Let's say free Bowie home values. Then I can come down here. Oops. When you double click, I forgot to say that. When you double click, it takes everything away. So boom, I'm stuck with that now. So through Boolean variations, otherwise I'll have to start all over again, but I'm stuck with that because I double click. Sorry, I forgot to tell you that. Okay, so now let's go over here and I can change this and say, hey, find out your home value instantly, right? I can come over here, double click that again, it's gone. Oops, my finger, I've got fat fingers, I'm clicking everything too quickly. So remember that if you double click on anything, it disappears. So what was this? I said, what is my Bowie? What is my home valuation? What is my home worth? What is my home's value? What is my home worth? It's nice. What is my home worth? Right? Then I can come here. You gotta be very careful. I tend to have it seems like I've got sticky trigger fingers. So I'm gonna say, okay, what is my home worth? Find out your, instantly get your home value here, right? It says free instant daily weekly updates. You can leave that there. Distress on property, I don't want that there. So I'm gonna leave instantly get your own value here. Over here, I'm gonna say how to get your home sold quickly in this market, right? And over here, I'm going to say get a free consultation. Get a free consultation and value instantly. All right, I know I'm repeating that a little bit, but I'm getting a little bit my mind is going round in circles right now. Okay, so I say get a free consulting and value instantly. So you do that. Now that I put all those things in there, I can come up here now. I can say save. The moment you click save, this comes up. Once I save this, I cannot make any changes. So if you're not sure, change it first before you do that. So quick recap on a couple of things real quick. If you double click any of these things while you type in before you save, if you double click this, it's going to disappear. Double click that, anything you double click is going to go. But this is what we have. So now we've created a landing page. It's that simple, that easy. Now you come over here on the green button on the side to share. You can share it straight to your Facebook, your Twitter, your LinkedIn, your Pinterest. Very quick, very easy. So if I click on that, say Facebook, and I'm going to show you this. This is what you get. Now you can go over here and put information on there. Hey, get instant. Oops, I can't type. Get your instant. Get your own. Get instant valuation, right? You can do that, and you can do that. You can put all your hashtags or any of those kind of things on there. So if you want to tag other people, my handles are typically this. I'm using DMV Homes. Oops, Homes. Whatever your other hashtags are. Elevate. Hashtag list with me, hashtag DMV living, any of those things, that you've been using before as hashtag. So you can do all that in there. Boom. You can send it to your feed, send it to your story. This becomes a clickable, it's a squeeze page. So boom, let's post that instantly. Now that is posted. It's going to take a minute, then it's going to get posted. And it's going to let you know once it's done. Again, if you want to do it to your Twitter, to your Instagram, to your Twitter or to your LinkedIn, you can do that as well. Boom, it tells you it's posted. If I'm doing it to Twitter, again, all I need to do is that. I click on Twitter, it's going to come on because my stuff is already linked. Boom, I don't need to write anything else anymore. Boom, I click tweet. Boom, it's tweeted and it's gone there. Skip for now, I don't need any notifications right now. So if you go to my page, it's going to be on there, right? Now, let's go and look at the Facebook. Let's just see real quick what we just did so you can now see the result of what happens. So I hope you can still see my screen. Let's go now to Facebook. I'm logging in onto Facebook. This is my Facebook page. What we just created now is right here. That's what I just created. Get instant home valuation right here. Now, anybody that goes on your Facebook page and they go there and boom, and they click on anywhere on that screen, it brings them right here to where you just gave. So this is your landing page. Now, they over here, they were like, okay, free Bowie home values. Okay, let me put my Bowie home address on there, right? So they start saying, what's my home address? Let's use an address that I've marketed to before. Actually, no, let's use an address that I have a listing at that will be coming back on the market soon. I think it's this one. I can't remember. 13109. What is it? Hunters Ridge. Hunters Ridge. If I just do that, I don't even need to finish everything. I just type in the address and I click. It says cell phone optional, right? It says please include an that's supposed to be my email. Is that what it is? I'm sorry. Oh, yes, guys, I'm sorry. I'm a little bit tired. Okay, so let's put my email address on there. Let's use oajimi1 at gmail.com. Gmail.com. Sorry. Cell phone is optional, but I'll put a cell phone in there. And it goes, then once the client does that, they click see the list now. It will take them to the landing page. You're on this page, it takes them to your landing page, which is your website, which is connected to your CRM. And as this is going on right now, that person puts that information on there. If you're like me and everything is linked together and you get the alerts, I get the alert right now. I just got the alert that says someone is looking on my website that logged on. Boom, I can go in there right now. But this is the other step that your client does. So they'll go enter their address 131, and while they're typing it, it comes on through. I think that's the one through Hunters Ridge. So boom, they put the address on there. They click next. Look at what it does instantly. Waiting for the system to work. Instantly, it starts to ask them, find out what your home is worth. Find out what your home is worth. Please verify your information. They put their name on there. They put their email address on there. Those same information is just saying for them to verify, which is already on there. Submit and view your report. He's sending the information, and voila. Instantly they see it, but they're looking at you. This is your page. This is you. It's giving them what, 2 websites where they can get results for their own valuation. But look at what's so beautiful about this. He asks them, engaging them, do you agree with these price estimates? Yes or no? They can click whatever they want, whether they agree or whether they don't agree. But the idea is they're clicking on this, you're getting an alert. And let's say they say, no, I don't agree. It's just another step of just getting them connected to you. Then they can leave a message, the reason why they don't agree. This is too low. Let me know if you can help me sell my house. Sell, right? And then they submit. Boom, send it. The moment that is done, I'm going to get the alert and the ding on my phone that someone just made an inquiry that wants to know about, selling their home or the valuation for their property. He sent it. I just got it right now. And it says, new question. New question. This is my KV call linked to that. Oh, I got to log in, but I'll show it to you in the email. And it basically just shows you that information. It links to my KV call and it tells you someone is in there. Now, do you believe what I just showed you? Let's look for another way to find out and validate that. If you go into your KV core, if I go into my KV core right now, into my dashboard, if I go into my dashboard, and I sincerely hope that you guys can see the screen. I know I'm kind of like digressing now because I'm taking you a little bit away from the other thing I wanted to do. But if you come right here, this is the address right here that we just did. That's the valuation right here. OAGME1 null, home valuation, address 13109 Hunters Ridge Lane. Boom. I can now start to engage with this person. I can call them because they left me a phone number. I can reach out to them. The question they ask me, is this too low? Let me know if you can help me sell. You can answer them right away. It tells you the location of the person that just did it. It tells you the location is in the United Kingdom, all that stuff, based on the profile that this person has on there. Of course, that's me, but that was my old profile. In any case, so that's how it takes you right in there, and now you start getting the information. Now you can drip them, now you can reach out to them. So that's how that works. let's go back real quick. Let us go back real quick and complete or do another one. So this is what we did. Let's go back. Let me close out of this. So now let's go back here. So that's how you do that. Now let's not go back. Let's now decide to do another one, because I told you we're going to do two things on that. We're going to do a lead gen, but we're also going to be doing an address. So that was the lead gen that we just did. But what if I want to even make it shorter, sweet, straight to the point? Let's go here. We're not doing lead generation. We're just going to simply do address capture. It changes that. And again, hashtag is optional. So you do the hashtag, say, home valuation. This is just for you to be able to recognize and remember what you're doing. Background, again, we can go to the same thing. You can use the same one that you want to. You can use the same one from earlier on, or you can change it. It really doesn't matter. This really doesn't matter. So choose whatever you like for your background on there. So let's go over here. And again, we're just going to say, we're going to change over here and say, find my home value instantly. Right? We go over here. You can change that into, see what you can sell your home. Right? You can go over here. I'm actually going to remove that. I'm going to remove that. I'm going to leave that there, and I'm going to over here and say, so what is my home? Again, this is be creative. Just come up with your own captions and ideas of what you want to use. That will, grab someone's attention, so that you can, get people to come onto your screen or to want to click on that. I'm not right now. I can't think of any other any really creative ways or things to say. I'm gonna say with motivated buyers who are anxious to do a deal. Yeah, so let's do it like that. But what you notice that is different over here is this one only has a single line: enter your address, right? Boom. So I can we have home valuation on there, and we have modern on there. We save that. He says, are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. You do that. This is it. Boom. Share this instantly. Let's do that again. Instantly share it to your Facebook or LinkedIn or wherever it is that you want to share it to. Actually, you know what? I'm not going to share it to Facebook. I don't want to overwhelm. I'm going to go to LinkedIn. So let's share it to LinkedIn. And waiting. And this is it. You can share it in a post. And what do you want to say about it? So you can say, find out instantly what your neighbors are getting for their simply the worth of your home. Right? Boom. And then you can put all again your hashtags, actually I'm going to go somewhere real quick so I can pull some hashtags just to show you. So I have another one here. So I can copy any of my hashtags over here just for consistency. Hashtags are really, really good ideas. So I'm just going to copy those just for consistency, right? Then I come back over here. Where am I? Where am I? Let's see, there we go. And then you can put those hashtags over there. You paste them over there, you're done. Anyone can see it on Twitter. It goes to Twitter as well. So anyone can see it. You're done over there. Boom, your post is gone. Your post is gone out. Done. Very simple, very straightforward. So again, let's go view the post, right? So people are on, get on LinkedIn and boom, the next thing is they see this, oh, wow, this is nice. Oh, find out what my neighbors are getting for their home. Click. Find my home value instantly, the boom, they put it over there and they come over here and they start putting their address on there. Let's go. Okay, there comes one. This one says 9841 Greenbelt Road. I don't know whose house it is, but it came up. So boom, let's just go. You put that in there and it takes you instantly to that site. Very straightforward. It says not available, of course, because I don't know, this might be a business or something like that. So I don't know, but you get the idea. So if we go back over here, let's click it again. Let's put another address. Let's put the same one we just did, 13109 Hunters. You do that. See, this is actually cleaner, straightforward, so they don't have to be reading too much stuff. It's just the address. So you can tell that this is different. Oh, it says verify. Well, I'm just going to change. I'm going to say test. Right. So you see, this is a different one when we go into my stuff. It says that's a phone number and the name. We're not going to change that. We just want to make sure that you see that is a different one. It gives them, again, the instant valuation right there. If they agree, no. If they don't agree, yes. If they agree, yes, or whatever, they can send me a message. Really? I'm just going to say really, just so you see that it's different when we go in there. So it's going to send the information and it's going to put them in your CRM, your KV core. It's going to put it right in there. And once this finishes sending, we're going to go in there. I was trying to make sure that this is a very short video. I think I may have gone a little bit too over, but let's see. So over here, let me refresh this real quick. I'm back in my KV core, and I hope the video is not lagging so you can follow with the videos and as many times as I'm changing the screen. And what do we have here? Test homeowner home valuation. That's the address that we put in there, and it's there. Test homeowner, the other one. They say this is too low. Let me know if I can help you sell. So we have every single one, and this is the last one that we just did now. So it's there. It works. And all you gotta do is follow up again with the homeowner, with the potential homeowner that just put their information in there. So I hope that helps. And that's just generally the idea of what you're trying to do and accomplish here. So if you need any more assistance, if you have any more questions, please feel free to give me a call, Jimmy Okanola, or you can email me, DM me. I'll gladly answer your questions, help you out. Good hunting, go out there, sell, help people, make the best decisions of their lives. And I hope you understand that this is all about service, and you're going out there to help people, to serve people. And while you're doing that, you're taking care of your family and taking care of many more families. So have an amazing day. Jimmy Okanola signing off.